Okay, hi guys. I am going to make you this video so that you know what to do on our first day of class. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to tccd.edu, okay? And then you'll click on this link over to the right here that says MyTCC. It's going to ask you to log in. I've already logged in before, so it shows my login here. Ah, let's try it again. Maybe I'm logged into something else. Okay, this is better. So it's going to bring you to this page, and when I talk about your MyTCC, like if I say log into MyTCC, this is what I'm talking about, this screen here. So mine looks a little bit different than yours because I am faculty, but somewhere in the middle here, you will have something that says My Courses, and you'll see our class here, 2020 Fall, Arts 1301, Art Appreciation. You'll click on that. And then this is our class. This is where we're going to be doing everything for this course is right here. And this is what we call Blackboard. So also if you hear someone say log into Blackboard, that's this. It just means this website here that has all of our announcements and lessons. So when it is time for our class at 2:25 on Monday, you're going to click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. It's on the left side here. And you'll see one that says Introduction to Course. And at 2:25, it'll be available, and you can click on this, and it'll take you basically into our class meeting where we'll have a live meeting. Okay, so that's where you're going to go on Monday. A couple of other things I wanted to show you while I'm making this video anyway is under the announcements, there is a link for your textbook. So you will click on this link. And yours will probably look different, but you'll have to create an account and then you'll use that code from the folder that you got when you picked up your laptop to access the textbook. So the only thing we're using this Pearson website for is for the textbook, okay? I'm going to go back to Blackboard, and then I wanted to show you guys where the syllabus is, right here. That's part of your first week's assignments, and then lessons. So for this week, we're going to be doing these prerequisite assignments. You'll click on that. And these are the assignments for your first week right here. Okay. There's an introduction discussion, an email instructor assignment, and a syllabus quiz. So that is all for now. I will explain more on Monday, but I wanted you to know how to get to where we're going to meet on Monday. If you have questions, email me before class starts on Monday. Before noon on Monday would be good. And just let me know what's going on. I will see you guys on Monday. Thanks.